Welcome to McIntyre Library here at the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire. My name is Abigail Sheets and I will be your tour guide today. The library has so many interactive spaces for us to study and explore throughout its 5 floors. Come on in and check out all of the resources, study spaces, collaborative spaces that we have to offer. Let's check it out. We're here at the front desk and circulation area. Make sure you check out the library's enormous list of resources and equipment that you can check out here at the front desk. You can get anything from DSLR to audio recording equipment to cameras and so much more. All equipment will be done on a first-come, first-served basis. Make sure you check out the entire list at the university's website. Also at the front desk, you can reserve a private study room for you and a friend. All of them are accessed by lock and key with a key from the front desk. The library has a large range of physical and digital resources that you can use, such as JSTOR or Grove, which are online resources. You can access those for free, but if you don't find a resource that you might like, you can look on our Interlibrary Loan Portal database so you can check out a book that's from any other campus in the UW system. One of the really cool things about McIntyre is that it has a level system. So as you go up in floor, it gets gradually quieter in volume. Your first floor might have some social activity, but the 5th floor is going to be pretty close to pin drop silence. Also, make sure you check out the library's collection of board games. They have classic favorites to anything modern. The library has it all. Welcome to the digital and audio recording space here in McIntyre. You can check this out at the front desk, record a podcast, music, or any other type of multimedia project. There's a larger space here on the first floor, and then on the lower level you'll find a smaller space in the digital commons. You can also check out the virtual reality space. Let's go check it out now. We're here in the virtual reality room, where you can do some studying or take a break from reality. We're here on the lower level of McIntyre Library in the Anatomy Study Zone. Here, if you're interested in the human body, or if you have a class associated with anatomy or physiology, come check out this space as a nice place to study with you and a friend. Here we are in the Blue Gold Makerspace, located on the lower level of McIntyre Library. Joining me now is Brad Gerke, one of the coordinators of the Blue Gold Makerspace. Brad, what can you tell me about all of the things that this space has to offer?
Well, thank you for asking. The Makerspace is a lovely little creation space we have in the lower level of the library available to our students. It offers a spot with tools and techniques and the expertise through myself and other staff members to go through and work on a plethora of different projects. You can use the sewing machines, 3D printers, laser cutters. We all offer those here and the training to use it. We can, help you with projects going from your Halloween costume to 3D printing Warhammer and Dungeons & Dragons miniatures to hemming and ironing out your career fair outfit in preparation for that big day.
Thank you so much, Brad. Now that we've explored the library's lower level and first floor, let's head up to the 2nd floor. On the 2nd floor, you'll find the start of the library's collection of books, journals, CDs, DVDs, and magazines. Also here on the 2nd floor, you'll find the home of the University Honors Program. This is where students can meet with an advisor if they need, or find a nice study space. On the 3rd floor, you can find the continued collection of books, magazines, and journals, but also check out the Mind and Body space, a place where you can maybe relax for a little bit or get in a workout while you're studying. On the 4th floor, you can find more of the collection of books, journals, and other things that the library has to offer. Also on the 5th floor, you'll find the library's Special Collections and Archives office. This is where you can find historical documents and artifacts about UW-Eau Claire, but also about the surrounding area. If you need a break from your studies, come up to the Rest Nest. It's a great place for you to relax and unwind in a nice little area. The next time you're on campus, make sure you check out McIntyre Library and all of the resources that it has to offer.